Hi, Honeyz. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Jiair, say hi to the Honeyz. I'm trying to adjust this so it's bigger so you can see him. Say hi. Hi. Boy, I ain't got nothing for you. I don't have anything for you. I do not. Okay, y'all. I went to Chick-Fil-A and got a salad. I got the spicy southwestern salad. It has spicy chicken in it. You want some? You want some? And with my dressing at? You better get me creamy salsa dressing. You could have gave me two. Okay. They did give me two. Okay. And what is this? Seasoned tortilla strips. That's good. I'll put that in there. What's this? Chili lime pepitas. I have no idea what that is. Pepita. Don't know. Okay. And the lady ahead of me asked for a cup of ice. I said, okay, can I have a cup of ice too? Yeah. He said, sure. He said, you want me to fill it up? Yes. I got a whole cup of ice. I didn't have to buy a drink. I got my own drink at home. A whole cup of ice. Nice nuggets. Okay. So I always mix this by thirds. This is what I like. Or whatever sweet drink I have, I always mix it with water. Y'all ain't seeing what I'm doing, but that's what I'm doing. That's probably your mama calling on the phone, and Walter ain't in there. And I don't have the phone with me. You hear the phone ringing, Jiair? Say hello. Say hello. I got me a tasty drink that's just not all water. Okay. This came from my post office, my P.O. box. One of my honeys had contacted me. You ain't getting none of this. You ain't getting none. You can't eat no salad, boy. With them little teeth you got. Okay, I went to my P.O. box. Picked up 2 packages. And I got a card. It's in the room. Okay, somebody had contacted me, emailed me, and told me they sent me some green seasonings. And she noticed that I hadn't acknowledged her on my channel because I haven't been posting anything. And then when I did start posting again, I still didn't acknowledge. So I picked up something. I'm thinking this is it. Packaged up nicely. What does it say? Cooking with greens. Okay. From Norfolk, Virginia. And she mailed this on December the 16th. Here it is, March of another year. Okay, let me open this. You better be still, boy. Be still. I'm gonna thump your hand. I'm gonna thump your hand. Ah! A thump. You big and bad. You big and bad. Nobody better not call my baby bad. You ain't bad, you're mischievous. You're high-spirited. Can you open this? You nosy. You really nosy, ain't you? Okay. How you get in here? Be still. Yeah, I said be still. I ain't supposed to say nothing to you. Let me see what. Oh, there you go. Packaged up very nicely. You hear that noise? Boom. Okay. Oh my goodness. And I've been buying seasonings, y'all. Yes, I have. Oh my goodness. Let me take them all out at one time. It's a bunch of... You about to hit the floor. Okay, sit there. My fat thigh big enough for you to sit on. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Send me a thank you card. Well, I want to thank you. Cooking with Greens Company for sending me this. Okay, what is this? No salt, onion, black pepper. Wow. No salt Italian blend. My goodness. No salt go-to blend. Let me tell you what's in it. Can you read? Garlic, onion, paprika. Don't pull my earring. Black pepper, turmeric, oat fiber, and celery. Salt-free, all-purpose blend. The one to go to. So it's called No Salt Go To. Okay. And this one is open. Okay, what is this? No Salt Sweet Smoke Blend. Okay. And what's in here? Brown sugar, tomato, silicon dioxide, smoked paprika, oat fiber, chili powder, garlic, hickory smoke. And I just add my, the amount of salt that I want to my food. This is No Salt Herb Blend. Oh, I can't read this little writing. I ain't got my glasses on, but there's a lot of herbs and spices up in here. But there's no salt in any of these. Oh, wow. And the company is Cooking with Greens. Wow, let me see, how can I? www.cookingwithgreensfamily.com. Okay. So I'm not sure if they're on Amazon or not, but if you're interested in any of these seasonings, which I will be using, then y'all can go to that website. I'll leave it in my description box. And you will see me using these. Let me see how this one smells. No salt, sweet smoke. Let me take. Sealed up nicely. Oh my goodness. Smells good. I ain't gonna try to shake none out because I might waste it. I'm holding this baby. Thank you very much, Cooking with Greens Company, for sending me this and for emailing me to see if I had gotten it yet. I was surprised that it was still in my P.O. box. They had to go in the back. I had to get the yellow card and give it to the person, P.O. worker. Stop. And she went in the back and looked for it, and also had another package. But I'm surprised this was still there. Thank you so much. Cooking with Greens. Okay? That's the name of the company. I will put this information in my description box. Okay? Yes, I will. Thank you so much. Okay, I also have another package. Oh. Oh, wow. Let me open this. People think I ain't got no class. People sending me stuff and I ain't even thanked them for it. I haven't acknowledged nothing. Oh, my goodness. Something in here that I know I like. I like it already. First, I'm going to read this card. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thinking of the blessing you are to me. Wishing you were close enough for a hug and a warm cup of easy conversation. Thankful for you and sending lots of love on your birthday. Oh my goodness, my birthday was in July. I haven't been to my P.O. box. Oh my goodness. I have you in my heart. Philippians 1:7. That's New International Version. And this is from daughter number 8, Trice. Thank you so much. I haven't been to no P.O. box. I ain't been in contact with nobody. I ain't been doing no videos, no nothing. I just started back. I'm very appreciative. Thank you. Now let me show what she got me. Here, boy. Here. You want that? Say thank you. Sit there. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Sit down. You ain't walking on my couch like you walk on your couch. No, no. No, no. Looking like your daddy. And you looking at like your granddaddy. Oh my goodness. She know just what I like. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Caftan. Oh my goodness. Ain't this gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Sit there. Sit there. Sit down. Sit. Don't talk back to me. Sit there. Sit there. I'm going to thump your hand. Peekaboo. I see you. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Just the kind of things that I like. The design. It got some bling on it. Can y'all see the sparkle? You can't see it, but it's here. Gorgeous. Oh, it got bling down lower too. Oh, wow. Oh, all down here. We'll be rocking this to later on. And I will model for y'all. Thank you, Trice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Sit, 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 sit. Okay. Oh my goodness. And I'm so surprised that my post office didn't send this back because I hadn't been there to pick it up. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching this small P.O. Box haul and what I got for lunch today. Thank you, Cooking with Greens. Thank you for all of these seasonings. Oh my goodness, No Salt Seasonings. And I've been buying No Salt Seasonings because I don't want the seasonings I use to be already salted, because I just add the amount that I want to use. Trying to cut down. Thank you so much. And thank you, Trice, daughter number 8. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed. Very blessed. Thank you. Okay. I don't want to hold your little funky foot. I don't want your foot. Okay. Y'all know what to do. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. If you've ever tried the cooking with green seasonings, no salt seasonings, let me know. Okay? And like I said, I will leave the link to this in my description box. And I will be cooking with this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough, but I'm very grateful. Thank you. Okay. Y'all stay blessed, okay? Bye. Okay, I want to show this card that my longtime honey, Beulah, I ain't going to give her last name, she does homemade cards. She makes her own cards. So she sent me a Christmas card. I'm just now picking it up, y'all. She made this. You don't see the beauty of it really like this, but I'm looking at it. It's pretty, and it got some little bling on it. She says, "May the peace of the season light your world, and may your new year be the brightest. Merry Christmas, Beulah." Thank you so much, sister, sis. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Okay. I'm gone for real now. Bye.